Hello and welcome to lesson 25. We are going to add the consonant digraph TH to what we have already learned to continue building our reading, writing, and spelling skills. TH is a consonant digraph because it consists of two consonants, T and H, that work together to make a single sound. TH makes two sounds, a voiceless sound and a voiced sound. Let's practice making the voiceless sound. Slightly open your mouth, put your tongue between your teeth, and blow air past your tongue like this. Let's practice some words with the voiceless TH sound. Think, thumb, path. Good. Now let's practice the voiced TH sound. Slightly open your mouth, put your tongue between your teeth, but this time when you blow the air past your tongue, make a noise in your throat, like this. When you make that sound, you should feel a vibration in your throat. So you can put your fingers and make the sound, and you should feel your throat vibrate, like this. And when you do the voiceless sound, there is no vibration. That is the difference between the two sounds. Let me add a sight word to this lesson. The sight word we are going to add is the sight word they. T-H-E-Y, they. Practice this word because it is not a word that you can sound out. Because we have learned so much already, I'm going to add 4 high-frequency words to this lesson. The words should be easy to read based on what we have already learned. This word is them, then, that, and this. Make note of those words, okay? Let's move on now to our blending practice. See? Okay. Let's go. B, a, ba, bath, bath. Gaff. Math. Moth. Wrath. Rock. Lock. Lop. Lip. Lin. Lid. Let's try this. Thid. Thud. Hus. Hut. Cut. Now we are going to move on to dictation. Number 1. The word is that. That was an excellent party.
I hear th.
TH. That. That. Okay. How do you spell that? THAT. That. Number 2. The word is thin. Thin. I hear that's TH. I. Thin. N. How do we spell thin? THIN. Thin. Let's move on to numbers 3 and 4. Number 3. The word is moth. Moth. The moth flew around in the garden. I hear that's M. O. Moth. TH. How do we spell moth? MOTH. Moth. Number 4. The word is than. Than. Ricky is taller than his sister. TH. That. That's the A. Than. N. How do we spell than? THAN. Than. Let's move on to numbers 5 and 6. Number 5. The word is thick. Thick. The child's hair was very thick. I hear that's TH. Thick. That is I. Thick. Is that K or CK? It is CK. How did I know? Because the curse at the end is right after a short vowel and the word thick is only one syllable. All right. How do we spell thick? THICK. Thick. Number 6. Thud. Thud. The heavy book fell with a thud on the floor. Now, a thud is a dull sound made by a heavy object falling on the floor or falling on something. Okay? Thud. I hear TH. That is the U. Thud. And that is D. How do we spell thud? THUD. Thud. Great. Let's move on now to sentences. Try to write the sentence before I do. Number 7. The sentence is, this is a hot bath. This is a hot bath. This, uppercase T, H, I, S. This is, I-S is, this is a hot, hot bath. That's the A. Bath, TH. This is a hot bath. I am putting a period because this sentence is telling me something. Let's move on to number 8. Number 8. The sentence is, I think the dog is sick. I think the dog is sick. All right? I think. TH. Thick. That's I. Thing, N. Think, K. Now I use K instead of CK because the K sound is not right after a short vowel. It is after a consonant. Okay? So I think the, we should spell that very quickly. Dog, D, A, dog, G, G, G. D-O-G, dog. I think the dog is sick. Sick. C-K. Period, because it's telling us something. Number 9. The sentence is, his dog ran on the path. His dog ran on the path. His is the first word, uppercase H, I, S. That's one of our sight words. His dog ran, ran on the path. That's P, pa, that's the A, path, TH. Okay? Period, because my sentence is telling me something. His dog ran on the path. Our last and final sentence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't, because you don't want to miss another lesson. All right? And you want to share these lessons with others who can benefit. Number 10, our last and final sentence. Did you have a math test? Did you have a math test? Did. Did you, Y-O-U, did you have, H-A-V-E? That was our last sight word, okay? Did you have a math? A. Math. T-H. Did you have a math test? That's the E. Test. Test. And then another T. Now, I'm putting a question mark because this sentence is asking something. It's asking, did you have a math test? So we put a question mark. Thank you, and I will see you in lesson number 26.